In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for filters on Instagram. So it's real easy to do. So there's two ways to do this. You can go to Instagram, and it's a little different compared if you want to do something for a story or a reel. So if you want to go for a reel and you want to search for some filters on Instagram, what you have to do is make sure that you're on reel at the very bottom of your phone here and just click effects. So that's going to bring up a lot of filters here just by standard practice here. But what you can do to search for them is actually just go up to the top left corner of this bottom half here. And you can go ahead and type in what effects you want. So I'm just going to type in fog. And then it's going to give you a small preview of what that's going to look like on your current reel. And you can go ahead and keep on typing different things here. I'm just going to type in red, and then that will bring up a different effect for the reel that I want to post. So that is one way to do that. Another way to go about doing this for, let's say, a story, so we can click over to the story. It's a little bit different, but what you can do here is go to story, and then right before you take a photo, what you can do is actually scroll through all these different types of effects and scroll all the way over until you see the magnifying glass again. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to the same window as if you were posting for a reel. So there's two ways to do it for your reels and your stories. You just have to navigate to the same spot, just in a different way. So we can go ahead once more and type in red, go in, and it'll still do the same thing. You'll be able to use the same effects for a story or a reel. So that is it. That is how you would go about searching filters for Instagram for your stories or your reels. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.